If we draw the failure boundaries for various theories on the same set of axes, we get the following graph that shows maximum normal stress theory, maximum shear stress theory, and distortion energy theory. This graph also shows the results of experimental tests for various ductile materials at failure. The first observation that we can make is that the maximum normal stress theory is not a safe theory, especially in the fourth quadrant, as it predicts safety while experimental data show failure inside the red rectangle. We also mentioned this before, and we only discussed this theory due to its historical significance and simplicity. So let's remove it. The other two theories show acceptable prediction for failure when compared against experimental data. The distortion energy theory's agreement with experimental data is very close, making this theory an accurate one. Therefore, this theory has been used as the primary method for failure analysis in ductile materials. The maximum shear stress theory shows a smaller region for safety, resulting in a more conservative predictions. This makes it appropriate to use for design purposes.